Alright, this is my introduction to my new Husqvarna 450 chainsaw. It's brand new as of November 2011. You can see I've used it a few times. This is the way the case protective cover works. Got some chain lube, extra chain room in there for that. Some ear plugs, which aren't a bad idea. So to start the saw, check this pump 5 or 6 times to get gas up in the chamber. You can check the gas right here. This shows the oil fill. It's nice and full. This is the bar oil. Pump that up right there. This is the brake. That engages the saw. That disengages the brake. That's the way you want to start it. Pull this lever all the way up is choke. You push the compression release, and then disengage the brake, pull down on the throttle. You kind of pop it. It starts 10% higher than it needs to. And now I'm going to prepare a bowl blank out of this log. This log's been sitting around for a while, so I'm going to cut off the end, get rid of the cracks, measure the length, cut it. I got kind of an interesting branch part, but I don't think I want that to be part of my bowl. That'll be left over for something else. Make sure and read and follow all safety procedures with your saw. Wear the proper eye and ear, glove protection, Kevlar pants, anything. You've got to be really careful with the chainsaw. So this is an ash log. It's still kind of wet. It's about 13 inches in diameter. I'll show you how the saw, just go right through it, and then how I prepare a bowl blank for wood turning. The reasons I chose this Husqvarna saw for wood turning, for bowl blanks,